So let's start with the third performance, and again it's a speech. We would be needing one more mic. Okay, so it was a speech and then a dance, and now we would also like to introduce a speech in front of you all about the Shrine of English only. So I would like to invite on stage the students from the Sangamvihar branch, Kalpana and Shivani. And mark my words, guys, stage pe aake perform karna, even if somebody is delivering a speech, standing over here requires a lot of guts, efforts, courage. And what are we offering them in return? Not only confidence, but the love you guys will be showering on them. So तालियां में कमी नहीं रहनी चाहिए यार, ठीक है? जोरदार तालियां, lot of hooting is required. Thank you. That's what the Shrine of English is all about. That is what the Shrine of English is all about. Supporting each other. We don't believe only going up alone. We want to take everybody with us. So if you want to improve yourself, you need to make sure that everybody is improving all together. So एक बार जोरदार तालियां, then they'll start the speech.
Very good afternoon to each and everyone. This is Shivani Sharma. Firstly, I would like to say thanks to each and everyone who have come here after taking out their precious time and making our day more special for us.
So, Merry Christmas to all. So, it is our 17th annual function of the Shrine of English. Due to COVID, we had not organized our function at last year. But now, we are back with same gradance and grace.
I am really glad that my sister advised me to join this institute because it is really a nice and the best place to learn English.
And believe me, it is my personal experience. After joining this institute, I have seen so many changes in myself. So as a result, you can see that I am able to speak in front of this much crowd.
Yes, you are absolutely right. One thing I would like to add, that is there are many activities through which we gained our confidence. Shall I talk about the activities?
Yes, sir.
So I'll start with my personal favorite, that is walk and talk. Walk and talk takes place in a park where sir divides us into small groups and make them a leader. In the group, we perform many kind of activities like extempo, story building, learning vocab, many more. At the end, group leader gives chocolate as token of appreciation to the person who really performed well in the group. At the end, one thing I share that through this activity we learn how do we interact with people in public speaking.
So my best love one is competition class. Competition class is conducted on every Wednesday. In competition class, sir make trio and rest of the student ask question to that trio and individually we answering the question. So Wednesday class is very delighting to everyone because that day we get token of appreciation as questioner of the week and the student of the week.
The next one is newspaper class. In newspaper class, we read a complete article within 15 to 20 minutes. And then we apprehend the article in front of other students and teachers. Sometimes this activity also performed in pair, where the sir divide the pair and the senior student explain the article to junior student, then junior deliver the topic or article in front of other students.
So now presentation class. So presentation class conduct on every Friday. In this class, one has to come in front of everyone and one by one everybody inside his or her topic by using board within 10 minutes. Because of this class, we explore more and learn so many new information about other topics.
Last but not the least, that is reading and library class. In reading and library class, we read a complete chapter and sir explained this to us. This chapter is from any self-help book. From this, we learn how do we improve our writing skills.
So apart from activities, one thing always motivates us is the supportive teacher of Shrine.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Whenever we feel nervous or speak wrong grammar, they do not demotivate us. They just say, speak, no one will judge you here.
Yes, as like G sir. He silently observed each and every student and always tried to make a student comfortable. When I had met him first, so I got totally impressed the way he was speaking English. And that day I made my aim that one day I also will speak like G sir.
But my favorite one is Pushu sir. The way he teaches us, it is really commendable. Whenever we feel nervous or fumble in between activities or speeches, he supports a lot and shows thumbs up like that. Then I feel more confident and give my 200% in every activity.
Now I want to talk about my motivation, that is Ashish sir. So when I had met first time Ashish sir, so I was quite flabbergasted. Why is the teacher attempting too many questions? Those were asking by G sir, increasing our competition.
Yes, but later on we got to know that he was also a student of Shrine, and 4 years ago he became a teacher of this institute by his hard work, and he had this habit to attempt every question first. From that day he became my idol, and I want to be a student like him.
Yes, you are totally correct. So these are some precious things of Shrine. So
Thank you so much.
बहुत बढ़िया, very nice है. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much girls.